Hello, good morning students. Now we will start financial analysis, that is analysis of financial statements. There are some tools for financial analysis because financial statements contain various figures of assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses, profits or losses, etc. But these figures do not reveal the earning capacity, liquidity or financial resources, financial soundness of the company. And these all figures are not readily understandable by the users. So these financial statements are analyzed to present them in a simple and understandable form for the users. There are various tools for financial analysis such as comparative statement, common size statement, trend analysis, accounting ratios, cash flow statement, fund flow statement and break-even point analysis. In our syllabus, we have to study comparative statement, common size statement, accounting ratios and cash flow statements one by one. Today we are starting comparative statements. How to prepare comparative statement from the given balance sheet and given profit and loss account, that is statement of profit and loss of the company. Okay. Comparative statements are the comparison made of current year's figures with last year's figures. So these statements are known as comparative statement. They makes comparison between them. Okay. When financial statement figures for 2 or more years are placed side by side to facilitate comparison, these are called comparative financial statements. Okay. They show comparison in the form of percentage or in the form of increase and decrease, etc. So now we will prepare comparative statements from today. We have to prepare comparative balance sheet as well as comparative profit and loss statement. First concept we will study comparative balance sheet. Here there is comparative format of comparative balance sheet. The comparative balance sheet shows increase and decrease in the various assets, liabilities and capital, etc. As per CBSE guidelines, format of comparative balance sheet is given below. See this statement, see the format. Comparative balance sheet as on 31st March 16 and 17. See the columns. First column is particulars, then note number, 31st March 2016 figures, 31st March 2017 figures, then absolute change, that is increase or decrease between the 16 and 17 figures, and then percentage change, that is percentage increase or decrease, percentage of increase or decrease, that is change. Okay. These are the columns of comparative statement. पहिल्या दोन कॉलममध्ये 16 आणि 17च्या फिगर्स दिलेले असतील. ॲब्सोल्यूट चेंज, दॅट इज ॲब्सोल्यूट इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज, या कॉलममध्ये 16 आणि 17च्या फिगर्समधला डिफरन्स दिलेला असेल. इट मे बी पॉझिटिव्ह ऑर निगेटिव्ह. पॉझिटिव्ह डिफरन्स शोज इन्क्रीज अँड निगेटिव्ह डिफरन्स शोज डिक्रीज. ओके. आणि शेवटच्या कॉलममध्ये वी विल कॅल्क्युलेट पर्सेंटेज इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज. इन्क्रीज किंवा डिक्रीज झालेलं असेल त्याचं पर्सेंटेज कॅल्क्युलेट करून शेवटच्या कॉलममध्ये आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. ओके. इथे फॉर्मॅटमध्ये फॉर्म्युला पण लिहिला आहे बघा. बी आणि ए या दोन्हीचा डिफरन्स म्हणजे इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज. पहिल्या इयरपेक्षा दुसऱ्या इयरमध्ये जर इन्क्रीज झाला असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह चेंज दिसेल, डिक्रीज झाला असेल तर निगेटिव्ह चेंज दिसेल. आणि शेवटचा कॉलम पर्सेंटेज इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज काढण्यासाठी सी कॉलममधील अमाऊंट डिवायडेड बाय ए कॉलममधली अमाऊंट इंटू 100 असं कॅल्क्युलेट करून आपल्याला डी कॉलमच्या फिगर्स कॅल्क्युलेट करायच्या आहेत. ओके. आणि बॅलन्स शीट ही नेहमीप्रमाणे आहे. ॲज युजल द फॉर्मॅट ऑफ बॅलन्स शीट इज सेम. इक्विटी अँड लायबिलिटीज, अननेसेसरी headings which are not included in our syllabus are not given here. First point is shareholders fund, sub point share capital, reserve and surplus. Second point is non-current liabilities. It includes long-term borrowings and long-term provisions. Third point is current liabilities. It includes short-term borrowings, trade payables, other current liabilities and short-term provisions. आपण बॅलन्स शीटचं फॉर्मॅट स्टडी केलेलं आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये ह्याच्यापेक्षा अजून जास्त आयटम्स आहेत, पण या आयटम्सच्या व्यतिरिक्त आपल्याला सिलेबसमध्ये विचारलं जात नाही. सो रिक्वायर्ड हेडिंग्स फक्त या बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये दिलेली आहेत. देन टोटल ऑफ इक्विटी अँड लायबिलिटीज साईड, देन ॲसेट साईड. देर आर टू हेडिंग्स, नॉन करंट ॲसेट्स. It includes fixed assets, and fixed assets include tangible fixed assets and intangible fixed assets. Then B point is non-current investment and C is long-term loans and advances. Second point is current assets. It includes current investments, inventories, trade receivables, cash and cash equivalents, short-term loans and advances, and other current assets. Then we have to add the items of assets, and total of equity and liabilities and assets should be same. They should match with each other. Okay. In this way, this is the format of comparative balance sheet, and now we will solve first problem of comparative balance sheet. See this problem. X Limited was in the business of manufacturing plastic bags. The company decided to manufacture low-cost jute bags instead of plastic bags. Following are the balance sheets of X Limited as at 31st March 2017 and 2016. Balance sheet is given in the problem. बॅलन्स शीट कन्स्ट्रक्ट करूनच दिलेली आहे. आपल्याला सोल्युशनमध्ये ही बॅलन्स शीट जशीच्या तशी लिहून घ्यायची आहे पहिल्या दोन कॉलम्समध्ये. पण बघा, फिगर्स ऑफ 31st March 2017 are given here and 2016 are given here. While writing, that is while solving comparative balance sheet, we have to write figures of 31st March 2016 in first column and in second column figures of 31st March 2017. Okay, keep it in mind always. This is the balance sheet given, and from this, see here, as per revised format, balance sheet of current year will be given first. You are required to prepare comparative balance sheet and identify any two values which the company wants to communicate to the society. So now we have to solve this problem. As they have decided, the company has decided to shift its production from plastic bags to jute bags. It shows environment friendly attitude, and it also shows their try of removal of health hazards, that is removal of plastic. Okay, these are the values in this problem. Now we will prepare comparative balance sheet. Let's start now. So now we will prepare comparative balance sheet of X Limited. Comparative balance sheet as at 31st March 2016 and 2017. First column is for particulars, then note number. Then I will write 31st March 2016 figures in first column, figures of 31st March 2017 in second column. Third column is of absolute increase and decrease, that is absolute change. Increase or decrease means amount from column B minus amount from column A. हे इथे मी लिहिलेलं आहे फॉर्म्युला. And then we have to calculate percentage increase and decrease, that is D column. It means C column amount divided by A column amount into 100. Then we will get percentage here. Okay. हे नीट लक्षात ठेवा की प्रॉब्लेममध्ये 17च्या फिगर्स आधी दिलेले आहेत, 16च्या नंतर दिलेले आहेत, असंच असतं. चुकून आपण इथे 17च्या आणि इथे 16च्या घेतल्या आणि अशा पद्धतीने सोडवलं तर रॉंग होईल प्रॉब्लेम. त्यामुळे 16च्या फिगर्स आठवणीने इथे लिहायच्यात आणि फिगर्स बरोबर लिहायच्यात, नाही तर उलट्या सुलट्या फिगर्स झाले तर प्रॉब्लेम विल बी रॉंग. ओके. सो आपल्याला बॅलन्स शीट दिली आहे एक्स लिमिटेडची, जी बॅलन्स शीट कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलेलीच आहे. ती मी तशीच्या तशी लिहून घेतलेत हेडिंग्स. अँड नाव आय विल राईट figures of 31st March 2016 in first column and in 17 figures of 17 in second column. Okay, let's write the figures first, then we will calculate the difference, and then at last we will calculate the percentage. Understood? So first, here the share capital is 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs given. It means 16 share capital is 5 lakhs and 17 10 lakhs. Now reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus amounts are given 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs, means 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs. Long term borrowings 8 lakhs and 5 lakhs, means 5 lakhs and 8 lakhs. Trade payables 4 and 2, means 2 and 4, 2 lakhs. And 4 lakhs. So the total 15 lakhs and 24 lakhs. Now assets. Fixed assets. Tangible fixed assets are 14 lakhs and 8 lakhs, means 8 lakhs and 14 lakhs. Intangible 3 and 2, means 2 and 3. फिगर्स आठवणीने उलट्या करायच्या आहेत, कारण आपण आधीच्या फिगर्स नंतर लिहितो आहे आणि नंतरच्या आधी लिहितो आहे. सो 2 and 3. देन inventories 5 and 4, 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs. Cash and cash equivalents and now the total, this is 15 lakhs and this is 24 lakhs. Okay, now we will calculate increase and decrease column. 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs, so there is increase of 5 lakhs in the year ended 31st March 2017. So here increase of 5 lakhs. Increase means the positive amount, so we will write here 5 lakhs. Then reserve and surplus 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs, so here there is decrease of 1 lakh. So 1 lakh decrease means negative, so amount will be written in the brackets. कळतंय तुम्हाला? 16पेक्षा 17मध्ये 5 लाखांनी इन्क्रीज झाला आहे, 16पेक्षा 17मध्ये 1 लाखांनी डिक्रीज झाला आहे, असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. डिफरन्स बिटवीन बी अँड ए, बी मायनस ए. ओके, नाव लॉंग टर्म बॉरोइंग्स. लॉंग टर्म बॉरोइंग्स 5 lakhs and 8 lakhs means increase of 3 lakhs positive. 2 lakhs and 4 lakhs means increase of 2 lakhs. Now 3 plus 2 5 plus 5 10, and this is minus 1 lakh, so here there will be 9 lakhs. Okay, means difference between these two amounts, 24 lakhs minus 15 lakhs will be 9 lakhs. Now tangible fixed assets 8 lakhs and 14 lakhs, so increase of 6 lakhs. Intangible fixed assets 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs, so increase of 1 lakh. Inventories increase of 1 lakh again. And cash equivalents again increase of 1 lakh. There is no decrease in this part of balance sheet. So total is 9 lakhs. That is the difference between total amount of 31st March 2017 and total amount of 31st March 16. Okay. Now we have to calculate the percentage. I will show you the percentage calculation here in working note for better understanding. Now first is share capital. We have to calculate the percentage, and the formula is amount from C column divided by amount column from A column into 100. So 5 lakhs C upon A into 100. So 5 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 100. After cancelling all these zeros, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 into 100, so it is 100%. Okay, so here we will write 100. This is 100%. Percentage sign is given here, so again no need to give here the sign. Now reserve and surplus. आपण इथे पहिल्यांदा सगळे पर्सेंटेज काढून घेऊन नंतरही लिहू शकतो. आता फॉर्म्युला मी पुन्हा पुन्हा लिहित नाही आहे. ओके, सो सी कॉलम इज 1 lakh divided by 3 lakhs means negative 1 lakh divided by 3 lakhs into 100. So these 5 zeros will be cancelled with this, so it will be negative 1 into 100, that is 100 divided by 3, and so it will be 33.33%. okay, so this is decrease because division will be negative, so decrease. Now long term borrowings. Long term borrowings 3 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs. Amount in C column divided by amount in A column into 100. %60. सगळं कॅल्क्युलेशन करूनच घेऊया. आता ट्रेड पेएबल्स. नंतर लिहू, इथे लिहून टाकते पाहिजे तरी 60%. ट्रेड पेएबल्स 2 लाख भागिले 2 लाख इंटू 100, सो इट विल बी 100%. 2 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs into 100, it will be 100% obviously. okay, so 100. कळतंय तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेशन पर्सेंटेज कसं काढायचं? इट्स व्हेरी इझी ॲक्च्युली. अँड नाव पर्सेंटेज ऑफ टोटल अमाऊंट. $9 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100. %60% it is. First I have cancelled the zeros, then I have divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 0 0. 20 into 3, 60%. Okay, so answer is 60% here. Now in this way we have to calculate all the percentage. Let's calculate the percentage of asset side. Sixth, tangible fixed assets. Then intangible fixed assets. Then calculation of inventories. Then cash and cash equivalents. Okay, so tangible fixed assets, see the comparative statement. Tangible fixed assets, 6 lakhs divided by 8 lakhs into 100. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 25 into 3 is equal to 75%. Then 1 lakh divided by 2 lakhs into 100. 50%. Then inventories, see the amount of inventory. One lakh divided by 4 lakhs into 100. 'So it will be 25. And last, 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh into 100, obviously it will be 100%, so 100. And percentage of total we have calculated already, that is 60. In this way we have to prepare comparative balance sheet, and after preparing comparative balances they told us to give the values. The values will be concern for environment and social responsibility. Okay, so these are the two values, because X Limited was in the business of plastic bags, but instead of the plastic bags they have decided to manufacture now the jute bags to avoid plastic. Okay, so it shows their concern for the environment and concern of social responsibility. In this way we have to solve the comparative balance sheet. Understood? That's all.